Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to create Polymarket account. So the first step is to simply go to Polymarket and then simply click on sign up in the top right corner. Now after that you're gonna have to choose a method, so you can continue with Google or simply enter your email address. Now as you can see, you can also log in using your wallets, your crypto wallets. So simply click on continue, and now what you're gonna have to do is simply copy our link. So I'm gonna have to go to my Gmail account. So let me go really fast here. As you can see, we're gonna have to click on login and then enter the code, and basically that's all we have to do. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys.